Good morning, Panther platform fans and junkies such as myself. I'm a new one though. Um, anyway, the issues I've been having with the car, I don't know if they all stem from the same problem. Uh, is on a fresh startup, if it's been sitting overnight, or I would say a few hours, when I start it, it's like a rattling sound. It lasts a second. Um, that's one issue. The other issue is under acceleration and not even extremely hard acceleration. I hear like a clattering, like a clack. Um, that's the other problem. And the third, well, I think it's four. The third problem is once it warms up, like in this area over here on the I guess driver's side valve, I could hear like a little ticking noise. Um, I guess that's once it warms up. And the fourth issue is once it warms up, when I'm driving, it's fine. But say if I stop, my oil dummy light start bouncing around. I'm sure that's something I want to get checked out. But yeah, I started and maybe you guys be able to hear it. And it's only 106. So started fine, always starts fine, always sounds good. Can't hear anything now. But once it, I guess, gets to operating temperature, you can notice it. Um, but yeah, those are the only problems I can say I've had with the car. I got it in trade, 106 on the clock. I never expect anything perfect and always willing to put in some work. I had one of these when I was younger, but I didn't know, what I knew today. So they're definitely worth to me to keep on the road. And they're affordable. You can't really beat that. Yeah, I guess I'm just waiting for it to kind of warm up. In the meantime, I'll hit the gas and maybe you guys can hear that acceleration issue I was talking about. Oh, the struggle. I heard it. Hopefully it was. Man, it's not even making a noise now. How dare you? Alright, well, I'm gonna cut it off. I haven't driven the car since I really got it. Put 46 miles on it. But those are the issues I'm having. If you guys have any advice or had similar issues and can point me in the right direction, I'm not really about going to a shop if I could do it myself. But Appreciate it. Happy Sunday. Go Redskins.